Right, Rob's about to have. Whoa, golden blood's nest. Where's this from?
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala where?
Kuala Lumpur.
Sounds like where Oompa Loompa should be from.
Never heard of Kuala Lumpur? Oh, it's sealed.
Bob is apparently a man. Let's have a look inside.
Smells of nothing.
There's bits and all sorts in there.
Oh no, it's lovely.
What is that? That looks like something that should be off for years. Says sell by date on that.
Threw up.
You have to have some bits as well. Like you can't just have juice. You gotta have bits as well. I think we should put this in a glass so you actually have bits in there. Should we get a cut? I think I'm gonna vomit. Please go to a bin if you're gonna.
I'm fine, yeah.
I'm fine, thank you.
Show your face, Robert. You gonna have more?
Get in there, closer.
What was that?
That's the golden blood business.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
What happened? Oh my god, it's business.
I feel like I'm just going to get me out there.
We are!
Come on, man, we can do it.
Oh god, it tastes like eyeballs.
How do you know what eyeballs taste like exactly? You was the mask on Halloween, is that right?
It's the last little bit.
We're nearly there.
Come on, Rob. Go on.
Your libido is gonna go up so high.
Swallow, man.
Swallow.
it.
Swallow. Don't leave it in.
That's what you say to a boy about swallow, motherfucker, swallow.
I want to try this. Don't ever eat it
Wait,
under any
face
circumstances.
on this guy.
Are you gonna cry?
He's a fucking liar. It's tasty, man. It tastes really nice and sweet, but the texture of that shit
It's weird texture.
It's just these gloopy, soft.
All gone. All of it is gone. It's a little bit like semen.
That's why you like it.
How do you feel, dude? How do you feel?
I'm glad it doesn't taste bad.
High five. You did it. You did it, bro.
Each other.
And you did it for free.